Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Mia Amitasari, NPM saya 191446112. Read the following text lonely. Economic, social, and cultural life of the Asian community. Geographical condition of Southeast Asia. Geographically, Southeast Asia is located between three waters, namely the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal in the western part, South China Sea to the north, and the Pacific Ocean to the east. Meanwhile, based on the side of the plain, the Southeast Asian plain are divided into two mainlands, namely the peninsula and the group of islands. The mainland of the peninsula includes Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and western part of Malaysia. Meanwhile, land in the form of an archipelago include the Philippines, Indonesia, Eastern Malaysia, Singapore, and Brunei Darussalam. This geographical condition cause difference in the economic, social, and cultural life of each country of Southeast Asia. A. Brunei Darussalam. This country famous for its natural resources in the form of oil and natural gas. Brunei is a country in Southeast Asia that has the highest per capita income due to its natural gas. Ayer Village is a floating village in Brunei Darussalam in 1040. Kampung Ayer was once the center of government. Today many residents have private boats and are kept under their floating house. Brunei cultures have heavily influenced by Islamic teaching. The majority of the population is Malay. The word Brunei comes from the word Nah Baru, which was pronounced by Awang al-Tatar, the founder of this country. The word Darussalam means place of peace or house of security. In conversation, pointing with your index finger is considered rude. Traditionally, Brunei did not shake hands with the opposite sex. Taking off shoes is a common habit of Brunei before entering someone else's house. B. Malaysia. The main economic activities of the Malaysian population are the agriculture, mining, and industry. International trade is one of Malaysia's fastest growing economic activities. Economic equipment, oil and natural gas are exported to the countries. Products from wood, palm oil, rubber, textile, shoes, and chemicals are traded internationally. The statue of Dewa Marungga in Malaysia is statue measuring 4 to 7 meters. This statue is located in Batu Caves, a cave which is one of the most popular Hindu temples outside India. Dedicated to Lord Marungga. Malaysia has a city called Kyor Town, which is a city registered in the UNESCO World Heritage. It is located off the island of Penang. Georgetown is a city that has many types of culture. Many buildings are relics of European times and building have Chinese Malay nuance. The three main groups in Malaysia are Malay Chinese and India's. His traditional music is heavily influenced by Chinese, Islamic, India, and Indonesia culture. His specialty is nasi lemak, which means fatty rice. Thank you.